Yan, nag-i-snack kami ni Habi, guys. Yung snack namin ngayon is cinnamon cream cheese cake bites. Ayan, guys. Cinnamon cream cheesecake bites. Yan, sarap-sarap niyan, guys. Amoy na amoy yung cinnamon. Yan, guys. Yan. Sarap. Yan, guys. Honey. Masarap, sarap. Welcome.